Izotup spray foam kits.
Izotup spray polyurethane kits are completely self-contained and disposable, suitable for individual and professional use. First, turn the valves counterclockwise until they are fully opened.
Apply the petroleum jelly to the gun. This step is important to prevent the gun from clogging. Install the nozzle on the gun.
Spray into a waste container until the streams are equal and forms rigid foam structure.
Now you can start the application in the area where you will insulate. Make sure that the application surface is dust-free and dry. After spraying, the foam swells within 15 to 20 seconds and dries after 1 minute. It is a fast and practical thermal insulation system that can be applied to many various surfaces.
When you take a break from the insulation process, clean the gun with poo cleaner and use a new nozzle while continuing.
You can also fill in the gaps with the slow rise formula. You can completely fill the gaps by injecting at 40 to 50 centimeters intervals in the area you want to fill. It is now very easy to insulate closed areas with this slow-reacting product. From the point you inject, the material fills all the gaps and dries within 3 to 4 minutes. It is important that you apply the injection at certain cm intervals.
Yes, using Izotup is that easy.
We offer solutions to your insulation needs with 2 different sizes and 2 different formulations. Fast Rise Formula 200 board feet and 600 board with 1 inch thickness. Slow Rise Formula 200 injection foam 350 cubic decimeters 600 injection foam 1 cubic meter. For more information, www.izotup.com.